wanna go right if you had left, nigga. A lot of shit been on my mind, ain't got no space left. My homie.
Bless up.
Ghost Gang. What is up, y'all? What's it, Dave? I'm coming at y'all with another video, man. It's your boy Majorkixx, aka Major 2 times, aka Tall Guy, and the LA hat, aka yeah, that way. Yeah, you feel me? I'll come back at y'all with another video, bro. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Turn on all post notifications for the culture, bro. Anything we do on this channel is for the culture. Just know that, man. It's so weird I don't got my desk over here no more, man. I used to use that as a crutch when I couldn't. I'm just really just recording in the chair and stuff like this. Just cooling, just in the middle of the living room and shit. Like, what's going on? But anyways, man, like I told y'all in my previous video I just dropped for you guys, I said I got a little surprise for y'all. Well, not a little surprise, but you feel me? I showed y'all what I was getting. I told y'all what I got early. I told y'all guys to stay tuned for today's video. This video I'm bringing you today. And you know, it's only right. I had to rock the Jordan. I had to rock the Jordan jersey for the culture. I had to. It was only right. I couldn't wear anything else in this video. It had to be the Jordan jersey. Point blank period. But man, without further ado, man, y'all already know it's in the box. You feel me? Let me just go ahead and hold on. Let me get my magic trick together. Hold on, let me get the. Let me see if I can get it from somewhere. I think where that bitch at. Oh, here you go. Hey, yes sir. Wait. Hey, look, if you watch this video right now, man, I want you to screenshot this shit right now and DM it to me. Or tag me in the story. Tag me your IG story, bro. Screenshot this shit and I'm gonna post it. And I'm gonna repost it on my Instagram story.
Hey, yo, Aki.
Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, bro. If you are following me on Instagram, y'all know my IG story be lit. So, alright, man. If you wanna, and y'all already know I would've had these. Y'all already would've known already before the video came out. You know what I'm saying? So that's early access, anyways. But Instagram link is in the description of this video. Instagram, Snapchat, all that. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. We are doing giveaways. We are gonna start the giveaways back up, man. Summer is coming around. You get what I'm saying? This is low-key an official unboxing, but I thought I was gonna get this on Tuesday, to be honest. I thought I was gonna get this on Tuesday, but it came a day early. I could have sworn that it said it was gonna be shipped on Tuesday. So this might not be what I think it is. This might be some other shit. Hold on. I don't even know if this is the shoe, but this is a legit unboxing. I'm gonna get to the unboxing. I just want to say one thing like before I unbox this motherfucking shoe. I hate when Nike do this, bro. Nike, if a Nike rep or executive is watching this video right now, bro, stop. Tell your people to stop putting Nike tape. We don't. People that order shoes online, we don't like this right here, bro. We don't like the Nike tape. Please stop doing that, but that is dangerous, bro. That's how people get their stuff stolen off the porch, man. We don't like that, man. All right, man, back to the unboxing. This is an official unboxing. I haven't done an official unboxing. I already be having the shit unboxed, and I just opened the shoebox. You see me? Let me see if it is what I think it is, but I don't know, honestly, because the thing I supposed to have is supposed to come tomorrow. But shoot, let's see. 1 second. It is what I think it is, baby. Yes, sir. Alright, so y'all already know what it is, man. By the box and the title of this video. Now I can say that. So this box I'm gonna by the title of the video, man, y'all know what it is, man. The one effing Raging Bulls, man. Y'all know I'm gonna hit y'all with that certified B-roll, so you ain't gotta worry about too much of the details of the shoe of me just talking about it and shit. B-roll gonna get y'all right, man. This is a 10.5. This is my 10.5. Cause I ordered two. I got a big kid's size too. Cause I'm gonna resell that one to my homie if you want it. So I got it for him. But yeah, man, I got early access to these, man, the other day, and the story behind it, getting the early. They got what called a seizure on this motherfucker. Yes, sir, man. I always wanted these, dog. Oh my god, bro. I'm so happy, bro. I've been catching dubs. I caught 2 straight W's on the sneakers app. 2 straight, bro. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy, man. Y'all already know how the Raging Bull joints look, man. You got the hardwood on that. The only thing that bit is missing is the bull eye. But where's the bull? Where's the eyes? We need the eyes, bro. I like boxes, bro. I like boxes. A lot of people don't like boxes. I like shoe boxes, bro. I like when they put detail into shoe boxes. This shit, it's just dope. I don't know. I like that. That's just me. You feel me? But size 10.5, man. Oh yeah, my bad. Let me get you right. Like I said, I got y'all with the B-roll. Anyway, they got Toro Bravo on the back of the box too right here, bro. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, man, the story behind me getting these right here, bro. Early access on the sneakers app. So I do sales, right? So I was at work, I was inside a store, you know what I'm saying, talking to the manager or whatnot. I just got finished talking to the manager or whatever, and I just so happened to pull out my phone to line up his, because I was writing his order for his store. I was trying to get him the right product in his store for the delivery date. So I just happened to pull out, because I have my work phone and I have my, you know, my personal phone. So I have my work phone in my hand, and I just so happened to pull out my personal phone, right? Just so when I pulled that bitch out, the notification for early access for these popped up. Like, you know what I'm saying? They popped up. It popped up and I was like, oh, you know what I mean? I clicked on that shit and I got that bitch instantly. That bitch said, you got them all ripped. Like, I clicked on it as soon as it popped up. Like, and I just got lucky, bro. That's the same thing. Well, with the medium curries, the dunk lows I had one week ago, those was more of, I just entered my name in the drawing, and that's just, it's 50-50 if you win. I don't know, it's like a slim chance you win in that, but I actually won the drawing. But these, I got super lucky. The same thing actually happened with my fucking Bread 11s, bro. What, 2 years ago when they came out, or a year ago? But with the Bread 11s, I was driving and goddamn, the notification, I just happened to be looking at my phone while I was driving, and the notification popped up for early access for those. So, I mean, I just be getting lucky, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a lucky guy, bro. But the Raging Bulls here, man, you know, these originally released back in I was about to say 29. I was about to say 29. These originally released back in 2009 in the Raging Bulls pack. It was a black pair and it was these. Obviously, these was the most popular pair, you did what I'm saying? Everybody wanted these, dog. Now you did, I don't know, man. I just wanted these ever since I was a kid, bro. I'm sorry. I think I was a sophomore when these no, I was a freshman when these came out in high school. Of course, niggas didn't have the bread. My mom was not about to spend $310 on no damn Jordans at that time, especially a pack, you feel me? And like niggas like me, I couldn't have a job because I was playing sports my whole high school career, so I never had a job in high school, but until I got out of high school, because I had football camps, football, you know what I'm saying? When you're a full-time athlete, but there's no possible way you're gonna be, there's no way you're gonna have a job, you feel me? So I was getting money other ways. But anyways, man, yeah, man, this is here, man. You got the icy bottles, man. It's nothing too different from the original release of these, man. It's the same standard Jordan 5. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Got that fucking, that red just pop. I know that bitch gonna pop in the sun. I know that bitch gonna pop in the sun. I ain't gonna wear these all ripped, man. You know, I like to let my shoes sit on ice for a minute, but I might, I don't know, I might pull these out this summer, you know what I mean? Just for the culture. But these is cool, man. I'm super excited to have these, bro. The suede, the material on these are pretty legit. It feels good quality, you know, you got your black eyelets. Like I said, man, this is pretty much as the original. It's nothing too far off from it, man. Like I said, I had to wear the Jordan jersey to represent, man. I had the Raging Bull, man. This is like classic to me, bro. To me, it's classic. No, not to everybody, but like people understand, man. When these came out back in 09, bro, it was a thing. So I had to get these. This go around in 2021. You feel me? So it's lit, man. Like I said, icy bottle. The box is lit. Everything lit. Got lucky hell, man. Let me know if you guys are gonna cop or drop. The original release date for these are on April 10th. You do what I'm saying? For $190. So y'all boys stay tuned. Like I said, I got the early access for y'all boys. I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all the video. Had a little surprise for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Shout out to everybody. Let me know if you're gonna cop or drop, or if you're watching this video on the release date, did you cop? Did you cop or passed on them? You ain't fucking Raging Bulls. You know what it is, man. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Ghost Gang family. Bye, love y'all. Ghost Gang, we up one. Y'all ain't know what it is. Hello? Hello? We in this gang shit, no lane shit.
We see that's the way.
The ice in this platinum, I did a 180, I went up the wrong way. Look at